Welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we have a lot to cover, so let's get into it. First, we are going over our big slight risk. Scattered severe thunderstorms and a lot of rain that could produce flooding will be possible today into this evening. We can't rule out a tornado or two. We also have clusters of storms currently moving east along this line. We also have some flooding down here in Texas. We also have a potentially strong storm in Texas moving east, so if you're east, watch out for this storms. Our tornado risk today is a 2% out of 6 that goes from Texas all the way up into Wisconsin. Moving on into June 4th. Firstly, we have a marginal risk for Indiana to Michigan with strong wind and heavy rain as the main threat. We do have a potential for some hail as well on June 4th. Let's go to our marginal risk in New Mexico. Strong winds is the main threat, but we could see some large hail and a potential for tornadoes. For June 5th, it gets more concerning, as we have a slight risk for Oklahoma, Panhandle of Texas, and southern Kansas. We could see some violent wind gusts and a tornado or two. And for the same day, we have a marginal risk for Maine, Vermont, NH, and New York. Strong winds is the main threat. All of these storms we have been talking about will likely occur in the afternoon into the evening. We got to talk about this tropical disturbance in the Atlantic. We have a low chance for development, but it could be upgraded. This is what it looks like on the satellite. We have a low pressure zone in this area, so it's favorable for development. We don't have to worry about it yet, but make sure to keep an eye on it.